Action. Cut. Cut.
Get out of the city. Comb your beard. Stand near water or in water. Find your way or get lost. Climb rocks, any rocks. Above all, drink coffee. Fresh ground coffee. Can't forget.
Yeah, we get it. I think we can all agree. Fresh ground coffee is the best. That's why you brought a hand grinder all the way here. But there is a better way. This is the LUME grinder. Let's see how it works. Nope, they're better than good. They're great. But how did we get here? Let's step back a bit. When you want a rich, rewarding cup of coffee, you need beans that are ground into particles of consistent size. Now, the word consistent is key here. Why? You know when you roast potatoes, how you want to cut each chunk the same size? It's to make sure they're all cooked the same. None overcooked, none undercooked. Well, the same thing goes with brewing. For example, if you like the French press brewing method like I do, coarse particles get good extraction, but the fine particles will be over-extracted. That means a bitter-tasting cup of coffee. The same goes for any other brewing methods. You're looking for consistency, no exception. Today's hand grinders generally have one major flaw. The burr isn't stabilized. It rocks back and forth, creating some particles larger than the rest. LUME grinder, on the other hand, uses a patent-pending design that applies a stabilized conical ceramic burr to keep everything precise and even. You'll get the same quality grounds you get from your favorite coffee shop. Thanks for listening. Now back to that amazing cup of coffee you've been waiting for.
Okay, he's done. Back to the woods and whatever the heck you're doing out there. Bring the grinder. It's a light too, you know, so you could read or knit or read and knit. Go to the woods. Bring your beans. LUME. It's a grinder and a light, but mostly a grinder.